Hi guys, welcome to Food Fantasy World. Today we are making street style mushroom masala.
पैसा ले रहा ना आज थोड़ा मसाला डाल
Mushroom 200 grams. Chop mushrooms finely. Finely chopped cabbage, half cup. Salt as per taste. Red chilli powder 1 tablespoon. Corn flour 1 tablespoon. All purpose flour 1 tablespoon. Orange color food color optional. Ginger garlic paste 1 tablespoon. Mix everything without water. Oil for frying. Fry mushroom on medium heat until it crisp. Summer vacation going on. Try to prepare different kinds of food for kids in home. Avoid outside food. Tomato puree 1/4 cup. Soya sauce 1 tablespoon. Ketchup 1 tablespoon. Mix everything. Cook on medium heat for 2 to 3 minutes. Peri peri powder 1 tablespoon. Add fried mushrooms. Mix everything. Chopped onion. Cornflakes. Spring onions. Peri peri powder on top.
अरे पैसा ले रहा ना आज थोड़ा मसाला डाल